नहीं कोई नहीं, छोड़ दो इसको। हर टेबल की खींच दे।
Abhi, the whole company, from a perspective, just before he starts with this, is organized on two fronts. One is what we'd say as an enterprise grade, where we work with everyone that you would know, whether it's Adidas, Nike, Crocs, New Balance, Deckers, Aditya Birlas of the world, Mahindras, and everyone that probably you'll know, TVS and so on. But that's not my interest, that's my bread and butter, so it keeps bringing in money. What I have started doing in last 18 months or so, I've started looking what is the impact that AI could create on human life. So that is what I'm going to talk about from vision. So मैंने तीन चार चीजें identify की हैं where I really wanted to make a change. One is I want to save human lives. That's my first goal. We have done multiple stuff around that. Second is how do I improve the human life quality, which is the healthcare impact. Some of the stuff that you will see, probably you like it. It's funny also, but yes, improving the per capita income in India. So these are three broad goals that I've set up for. With God's luck, we have been doing pretty well. Just to give you a context, we have a very pretty popular solution in wildlife management, which is human-animal conflict. So the contrast of numbers, before the solution was implemented, there were 57 deaths in the implemented areas. Last 12 months, there have been 0 deaths. So that is what my success is. So I'll quickly walk you through what I do, and we have done 2 projects with Marine, 2 or 3. My expertise is on the computer vision side, so I can talk about it. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer those. This is what we have always been in the challengers and the season leaders category for last 3 years. Also talked about our solution in Mann Ki Baat. I'll not take much time. I think this is not a session for heavy yarn. So I'll just browse through to give you a glimpse of what AI will do in this is the interesting one. Especially male UTI is a very big problem, right? It's very hard to detect. People don't realize that they got a UTI, and जब तक वो detection stage में आता है, it leads to ultimate cancer, and then whatever, lot of bigger volume कम आता है. So that's a very technical thing, but वो ultimately prostate cancer और उस पे जाएगा. But this is at a very basic level what it happens. This is on the fleet side where we have actually integrated with Vitec and all known data sources, sources, Pictor and all that. So this is two automated platforms that we have that we've been working for some time. But yes, from a vision perspective, what we have been doing is we are tapping into every vision possible. Everything that has a camera, we tap into it. So I'm now having best of both worlds. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and it was amazing. और सबसे best part तो ये है, this is stage, which is Dholera Group. Can we have a big round of applause for our sponsors, Dholera Group, on the stage? Everybody.
Varun Jain is my junior and 6925, I guess, roll number. He left sailing and he's doing really well in real estate right now. And he's representing Dholera Group. जब तक act now, तब तक वरुण, you can share some exciting stories. We had a session with Dholera Group just a week ago, and now they will be presenting in live. So Varun, over to you.
Alumni of DMET 2014 pass out. So I stayed for almost 8 years. After that I joined Investors Clinic, and it was a really tough journey. So धीरे धीरे उसमें आगे बढ़ते रहे. So it's been now 5 years down the line in real estate. So I'm working with Investors Clinic in a position of AVP. So we have 18 offices in India and 2 offices across the globe. So one in Dubai and one in Singapore. So बहुत सारे लोगों से मतलब एज एन DMET फेडरेशन मेरी बातचीत होती रहती है. तो काफ़ी लोगों की इन्वेस्टमेंट्स भी कराई हैं. तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक अपकमिंग पॉइंट आता है कि अब जो गुड़गांव मार्केट है या नोएडा मार्केट है बहुत ज़्यादा सैचुरेशन लेवल पर आ गई है. सो ऐसा कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेके आओ जो आज लॉन्ग टर्म के विजन से अच्छा हो और एट द सेम टाइम उसमें कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन और इस पर काम चल रहा है. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पर जाके रिसर्च करी कि क्या प्लानिंग्स है गवर्नमेंट की, कौन कौन से फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स वहाँ पर आ रहे हैं इन्वेस्ट करने. सो धुलेरा में एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है कि आज किसी भी शहर को ग्रो करने के लिए 4 इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स होते हैं. So one is your road connectivity, one is your sea connectivity, one is your railways and one is your airport. So ये चारों connectivities धुलेरा शहर में मिलती है, which you hardly find any of the tier 1 cities in India, except your Bombay.
सेमीकंडक्टर हब ऑफ इंडिया बना रहे हैं क्योंकि इसमें भारत का सबसे पहला सेमीकंडक्टर फैब यूनिट टाटा 91,000 करोड़ के साथ में सेटअप कर रही है, जिसका प्रोसेस ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड है. सो जिस तरीके से अगर हमें को लगता है कि यार 30 ईयर्स 40 ईयर्स बैक अगर हमने गुड़गांव में आज इन्वेस्ट किया होता है, गुड़गांव की जिस तरीके से इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ हुई है, IT ग्रोथ हुई है और जिस तरीके से रियल एस्टेट के प्राइसेस आज आसमान छू रहे हैं, उसी तरीके से आज धुलेरा को ये समझिए कि 30-35 साल पहले का गुड़गांव है. तो आज उसमें सही टाइम है इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का, जिसमें अपने को जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है 8-10 लाख से स्टार्ट हो जाती है. एंड इट हैज़ ए पोटेंशियल टू ग्रो 4 to 5 times in next 5 years और 10 times in 10 years. So that's all about धुलेरा. बाकी डिटेल में आपके साथ में 1-to-1 there is my counter, we can meet there. Thank you.
Exclusive for mariners. उस प्रोजेक्ट का नाम हमने रखा है मरीनर्स बे. सो उसमें जो फर्स्ट बायर होगा इट हैज़ टू बी अ कंपल्सरी अ मरीनर. इट कुड बी फ्रॉम द इंजन साइड और फ्रॉम द डेक साइड. सो एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट फॉर मरीनर्स. एंड उसके अंदर जो प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप भी कर रहे हैं ऑन द थीम ऑफ सी को लेके हमने उसको प्रमोट किया है. और वहीं पर उस तरीके क्लब हाउस एंड फैसिलिटीज़ भी उसी से रिलेटेड दे रखे हैं, ताकि व्हेन यू आर आउट एट सी बट व्हेन यू आर एट लैंड यू कैन हैव अ फीलिंग ऑफ सी एट योर होम. सो दैट इज़ द आइडिया बिहाइंड दैट. सो अभी मैं स्लाइड चालू कर रहे हैं, जस्ट हैव अ लुक.
On the Delhi-Mumbai west of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Dholera SIR is in the most advanced stage of development. Dholera Industrial City Development Limited (DICDL) has been designated as a special purpose vehicle to.
सो आपको कुछ भी अगर इसके बारे में डिस्कशन करना है, वी हैव अ स्टॉल ओवर देयर. सो वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प यू. थैंक यू.
and for his spirit to bring together all the DMATians chapter on chapter. I think you're running parallel chapters across India. Congratulations for that. So I was overhearing, the conversations across tea and all. So, youngsters, the younger batches interacting with the senior batches, cherishing the memories of 4 or 5 years that you've spent in the college. So it's like your extended family. And Prateek, many congratulations for you to bring this kind of events year on year. So I'm Dibendu Nandi, and I am representing and I'm in fact taking the opportunity of this gathering to speak about our organization and how it can, let's say, we can collaborate with the DMET alumni spread across India and the world. Right, so quickly, so we are about healthcare, we are about healthcare financing, we are about insurance, probably very alien topics in this August gathering. But again, I'll keep it very, very light. I'll keep it very, very relevant for the folks that you have gathered here. Okay, so live long, as Prateek ji mentioned, it has a very close connect with DMET. Our founder and CEO is Mr. Gaurav Dubey. He has been a serial co-founder. So one of his ventures was with Prateek ji only, Nurture, which is still Prateek is running on his own. With Shailendra sir, awesome stuff that he's doing with AI. Again, there also Ankit was a part of the co-founding team. Now Ankit is with us, and I can see the true talent that DMET has in store. So, so I'm not from DMET, I'm from a forestry background. So again, एक जगह आप लोग समुंदर में हो, मैं जंगल में हूँ, ठीक है? So again, शैलेंद्र ने कुछ बाघों के लिए कुछ किया है, बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है. That's a great thing. Just coming back, so we are a wholly owned subsidiary of the India Infoline Group. It's a financial company, right? It's into securities, insurances, loans. एक बार back जाइएगा, प्रतीक जी. Club, and ये basically हम लोग last में cover करेंगे. We'll keep, so can we have a show of hands of people who have taken entrepreneurial journey, वो अपने organization खुद का चला रहे हैं, who are running their own businesses.
I'll start with a practical or a political joke. The joke was, long before when there was a meeting somewhere in Maharashtra, a think tank with lot of thinkers and lot of brains coming together to get freedom from the country. And the chairperson was our Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji. And he was basically ideating how to break the shackles of colonialism. So a lot of people came and they were giving their ideas. So there are 4 people who came from Pune, and they were saying that what Gandhi is doing may not be exactly the path to the freedom. What Subhash is doing seems to be too radical. Bhagat Singh basically stirring up things too much, blah, 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 blah. Niyat. And then they say, what you intend to do? They came back with a list of 20 points of program, 20 Sutri Karikram as we can do. Where Tilak ji heard him very patiently and he said, श्रीमान आपसे सिर्फ इतना पूछना है कि इसमें से आप 20 में से आप कर क्या सकते हैं? तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, हम बता सकते हैं. So we have doers, we have people who have basically broken ice, people who have opened enterprises and are market leaders, and at the list, it's me. I can't do anything, but I can talk. So we'll just discuss about things, what others have done and what others are going to do, because I'm not going to do it probably myself, or let us say just assist somebody to do it. So I'll just make the first half of things very fast, because there is no point in preaching to the gallery. And I'm going to stress on the second half what's going to happen. Okay. So, can I have one of the cadets come here and make it fast, or you? Okay. So let's go fast.
And amazing work Saptarshi Basu sir has been doing over the past almost a decade. मैं एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाना चाहूँगा, उसके बाद हम लोग कोई ब्रेक नहीं ले रहे हैं, विल कंटिन्यू सेशन, एक अवार्ड सेरेमनी स्टार्ट करेंगे उसके बाद तुरंत। तो मैं कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट से बाहर था, मैं मुंबई गया था, और जब तक मैं शिप नहीं ज्वाइन किया था मैं बसु सर के घर में था। और अगर जनरेशनल डीएमईटीएन से पूछा जाए तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैरियर हैव बीन शेप्ड बाय बासु सर ओवर द इयर्स। तो थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग एन ऑसम डीएमईटीएन। मैं 3 लोगों को इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा एज ए गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर फॉर टुडे, हु हैव बीन डूइंग एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी वर्क एंड टच्ड आवर लाइव्स ओवर द इयर्स। गौरव अग्रवाल सर, कहाँ गए सर? आ जाइए सर। मनीष प्रधान सर, मनीष सर हैं यहाँ पे? मनीष सर बीच बीच में ब्रेक के लिए जाते हैं बाहर, बुला लिया जाए उनको। एंड वी हैव डीएमईका सिंगापुर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव संजय वर्मा सर ऑल्सो विद अस। संजय वर्मा सर।
Round of applause, everybody.
कुछ 2 मिनट।
Sorry, I want to speak about two heroes. Yes, sir. Is Satyadev Gupta here? Tanya. Sorry to Pradeep. Satyadev Gupta has climbed Mount Everest twice and Mount Lhotse twice within a span of 1 week. I wanted you all to see him and appreciate the spirit of the true DMETN. Come on, guys! One more. Hari Krishna from batch of 2003.
Hare Krishnan.
Hari Shankar. Okay, guys. And the batch. His batchmates are here. Anybody else? Come. These are the guys who stood beside their batchmate when he was critically ill, and they collected some 40-45 lakhs, and they are still with their batchmate, and they will never leave him. They have taken it as a mission. Guys, these are the guests of honor. Very well. And this is the DMET spirit. Never leave your batchmate. Once a batchmate, always a batchmate. Once an alumni, always an alumni. Thank you.
Start with felicitation and award ceremony. The DMET annual award ceremony is a cherished tradition that goes beyond recognizing individuals and organization excellence.
On the stage from batch of 2003 pass out. Actually, I did not realize we did something great, or we are worthy of this kind of this thing. But here in this August gathering, I want to let people know actually it was because of support of all of us that we could do what sir talked about. So there was wholehearted support from all the DMECA members and beyond, across batches, across continents. We just asked for it, and we got in return more than what we expected, and thanks a lot. And it's actually something we should be proud of ourselves to be able to muster and come together when the need arose. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Manish Pradhan sir as guest of honor. So as a DMETN, he has also touched many lives, and lot of my batchmates joined Anglo, और अभी भी कुछ सीनियर भी एंग्लो में उन्हीं की वजह से हैं, and we should be very proud that he is heading one of the biggest shipping companies right now in the world. So I would like to felicitate Manish Pradhan sir as a guest of honor for the evening. Welcome sir.
Come closer, sir.
Very humbled. Thank you so much. This is a surprise on this guest of honor. I'm here as just like any one of you. Just walking into this place, I start feeling old because I see so many of the juniors, and yeah, I have been very attached to DMET, but I'm a very, very proud DMET. Whatever I am today is because of what I learned in DMET, from the good to the bad things. But it gave me the instinct of survival, and I'm one of those few engineers who ventured into the human resource side of it, which is crewing. And the most kind of rewarding part of that was what I see today, because I've been going for campus interviews for almost close to 30 years, not 25 years to be honest. And so many people that, okay, you came, you selected me, you didn't select me, all of that is there, but of course my apologies to the ones we could take, it was not just my decision. But very humbled, very grateful, so proud to be a DMETian, more so after today, hearing people what kind of accomplishments our youngsters have achieved. In our batch, all we knew was going on ships, cleaning the bridges, dreaming of becoming the chief engineer someday. Then the dreams went forward of coming ashore. But today I see youngsters like Shailendra doing what they do. Hats off, man. Salute to you guys. And let's all cast our good wishes for all these young people who are taking the flag of DMET flying so well. Wish everyone a lot of success. And as for me, I'm still going to be there. I'm still going to be doing manning because that's what I enjoy doing the most. Let's all work to keep the DMET flag always in the forefront. And for the youngsters in the room, I think there's a lot of challenges now. Shipping is not as cool as it used to be earlier, but everything changes with time. If you ask Shailendra about his challenges in getting what he got up, or everything is challenging. So I still think shipping is a great profession, and we should all do our best to do whatever we can. Thank you for the
to felicitate some of the alumni who are here today, who are doing extraordinary job in their respective field. So, sir, 10 minutes लगेगा.
It's a cherished tradition that goes beyond recognizing individual and organizational excellence. It embodies the value of leadership, innovation, community impact, and unwavering dedication to maritime and allied industries. This year's event marked a monumental celebration, shining a light on achievement that inspired the entire DMET fraternity. Here is a comprehensive overview of awards, their significance, and the remarkable individuals and organizations honored. So first category, we have wildlife and environmental conservation. For that, I would like to call Kushag Pathak and Shailendra Ketat on the stage. Please, everybody, big round of applause for Kushag Pathak and Shailendra for extraordinary initiatives for wildlife conservation. They are recognized for their commendable efforts in conserving wildlife and protecting natural habitats. Kushag and Shailendra's impactful all-round initiatives and awareness campaigns have significantly contributed to preserving biodiversity. Their efforts extend beyond wildlife protection, fostering harmony between communities and nature, and even saving human lives. So big round of applause everybody for Kushag and Shailendra. Alright, our Synergy Group, everyone. Synergy Group's forward-thinking approach to hiring has set a benchmark for diversity, inclusion, and opportunities for DMET alumni.
सारे इंजीनियर्स आ सकते हैं और प्रधान सर के साथ आप एक साथ अवार्ड ले सकते हैं. So all the guys from Synergy, जिन्होंने कभी भी इसके शिप में सेल किया है, please come forward.
आ जाओ।
सर आगे आइए, बुला आवाज लगा।
थोड़ा सा इधर आ
Big round of applause, everybody. And collaboration, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to empowering alumni and driving innovations. Big round of applause, everybody.
बुला सर प्लीज।
I'm Gregory Kovacs, Design Director of Hanoi, working across Asia. At Hanoi, we are 77.
For their long-lasting support where the DMET alumni has driven critical success. Big round of applause for the entire team, everyone, for Alumni Employer Excellence Awards.
5-star only.
Some very handsome looking guys here.
आ जाओ, अभी भी सेम क्यों आ जाओ यार।
Look like
He's heading in that direction.
सबको पकड़ो भाई। हाथ लगा दो।
सर प्लीज
थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ। सामूहिक।
थोड़ा सा और।
All right, everybody, big round of applause for the entire team. Guys, any guesses? Any guesses? Not us. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to present Shiv Smith this award with the most reliable ship repair facility across Indian ports. It's an industry often met by poor repair experiences. Shiv Smith is revolutionizing the standards of quality and trust, ensuring ship owners and managers a new era of excellence at Indian ports. A big congratulations to Shiv Smith, everyone, come on! A visionary maritime project that redefined industry standards. Sanjeev's initiative embodies innovation and sustainability, inspiring the next generation of leaders. Big round of applause for Sanjeev Sanyal, everyone. Of IoT in maritime, and the award goes to Octobotics. Big round of applause for Octobotics, everybody. Octobotics is celebrated for leveraging IoT technology to revolutionize maritime systems, enhancing safety, operational efficiency, and productive maintenance. Big round of applause, everybody.
Excuse me. Sir, please come forward.
I request everyone to please come forward. Everybody for Valiant Solution once again.
बाकी लोग ले लेंगे सर।
नहीं भाई तुम्हारा केस
थोड़ा उधर हो जाए।
कोहिनूर जैसा है।
सर आप
थोड़ा सा आगे आइए।
क्लोज,
थोड़ा सा क्लोज हो जाइए।
क्लोज।
अरे एक बार फोन बाहर आवाज देना उसको बुला लिया। अरे रोहन।
I saw one of my 50th collecting about 80 to 90% of all the, let us say, academic awards. His name was Rahul James Kohilo.
Rahul Gupta, sir, in our batch.
So I remember this person had basically stolen the limelight.
He's a class topper.
सर ज्वाइन कर दीजिए।
Everything have changed after DAVT. मैं DAVT में नहीं पढ़ता था, but yes, when I went to IIT and did my, then I did well.
Thank you.
Grit and determination, Satyadeep's achievements extend from conquering peaks to inspiring countless individuals with his journey of resilience applause for Satyajit.
सर थोड़ा सा तो नहीं करेंगे। Excuse me.
I think we should tell.
हम लोग कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे।
और तो मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकते।
First of all, thank you, many thanks for this respect, and many thanks to Pratik and Gaurav Agarwal sir. These two have been, very pivotal in what I have achieved. And the third person I want to thank is Praneeth Mehta. Like, I know he has a huge fan following. So he's the only person, he called me upfront and said, "Sir, you come with me, I will help you." Nobody does that. So many thanks. And let's talk about the record. So it was Everest, like Mount Everest, we all know it's the highest mountain in the world. And there's the fourth highest mountain in the world, Lhotse. Those two are pretty close to each other. I'm not that close, but yeah. So our project was to climb both those two twice. After coming down, like I climbed Everest, Lhotse, and then I came back down, and then I went up again in like 6 days, 7 hours.
Wow.
So yeah. That's all. Like right now, I'm into endurance, and as the Kathat, pointed out, I just did a 100-kilometer run right now, last month. Yeah, that's all I'm doing.
This gentleman has a lungs of NA70 turbocharger.
Alright, so next subcategory we have Trailblazer in Shipping Operations, and the award goes to Mr. Pankaj Thakur. Big round of applause for Mr. Pankaj Thakur. Recognized for revolutionizing shipping operations, Pankaj's innovative strategies and leadership have made a lasting impact on the industry. Big round of applause for Pankaj Thakur, everyone. Impact, and the subcategory is Social Media Influencer of the Year, and the award goes to Merchant Navy Decoded. Big round of applause. Honored for their engaging and informative digital content, Merchant Navy Decoded has built a global community that educates and supports maritime professionals. Big round of applause for Merchant Navy Decoded.
For those of you who don't know, अभी इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा मर्चेंट नेवी स्पेसिफिक चैनल एक DMETL का है, that is Merchant Navy Decoded. So we should be really proud of this. So for all the sponsors out here, जो अपना प्रोडक्ट मार्केट ले जाते हैं, contact Merchant Navy Decoded. All the maritime professionals or aspiring marine engineers, deck cadets, follow them.
Social initiative for cadets. Any guesses, guys? Any guesses? Any guesses? Random guess? Anyone? And the award goes to DMET Samvad team. Big round of applause, everyone. DMET Samvad webinar series bridges the gap between cadets and experienced professionals, fostering mentorship. Applause for DMET Samvad team. Everyone.
So जिनको नहीं सब जानते हैं होंगे संवाद के बारे में, जिनको नहीं पता है कि the webinar series it started few years back, and Harsh is the guy behind that, and round of applause for him because it still continues. 40 से ज़्यादा webinar हो गई हैं and it has helped lot of cadets. So अगर जिनको नहीं पता है, कॉलेज की प्लेसमेंट काफी डाउन हो गई थी बीच में, और उसको अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए they connected us with the cadets, with the alumni. And it is a very strong connection. आप संवाद का जब भी सेशन होता है, do join us, and we are as a DMET club we are supporting them, and we will support them. Thank you.
Every Sunday afternoon when you had your biryani and you feel like sleeping, that times a big guy comes on the screen and says, "Chan se so rahe ho to chacha." It's none other than my beloved Mr. Pratik Khanna, who runs his Citadel. So please join Citadel and try to shout out your lungs. So basically that's an ideation platform himself that Mr. Pratik Khanna has made.
Major category we have real estate contributions, and the subcategory is extraordinary work in real estate, NCR region, and the award goes to Signature Global. Big round of applause for Signature Global for reshaping the NCR real estate landscape with sustainability and innovation at its core. Big round of applause for the entire team, everybody. Big round of applause for Signature Global. Recognized for pioneering sustainable and innovative real estate projects in Gujarat. Everybody, big round of applause.
Sir, join कर लीजिए.
Applause for Vishnu Seni, recognized for outstanding academic achievements. Alright, he is not here with us. So the next category we have leadership and character, and the award goes to Sachin Bhardwaj, awarded for leadership and exemplary character.
अरे यार क्या कर रहे हैं?
Honored for innovative and practical engineering solutions. Big round of applause for Divyam Tiwari. We have Cadet of the Year, and the award goes to Raghav Dhaka, celebrated for all-round excellence in academics, sports and leadership.
See why he was not given the charter, because
Alright, next category we have maritime equality and empowerment, and the award goes to Rahul Kumar Singh. Big round of applause for Rahul Kumar Singh, everybody. And technology excellence, and the subcategory is Seafarer Welfare Advocate Award, and the award goes to Ritesh Kaushik, recognized for impactful initiatives improving the welfare, safety and quality of life for seafarers worldwide. Big round of applause everyone for Ritesh Kaushik. Healthcare and insurance excellence. The first subcategory, healthcare innovation, and the award goes to none other than Live Long. Big round of applause for Live Long, who has brought transformative healthcare solutions to life through innovation, technologies, making healthcare more accessible and effective.
सारे इकट्ठे हो जाएं सारे.
Live Long team to join us on the stage, please. Next category we have excellence in health insurance.
It's an honor to be part of this August audience, and we are there. We'll be collaborating with the Jamaica platform for ensuring that the penetration of quality propositions on the wellness side for the marinas, for the land lovers also. There are ample solutions, and for litigation also, people who are having some issues. So we have got 40 plus advocates who are fighting on behalf of the customers whom we have sold through. Thank you for this platform.
So this is just a small gesture from Livelong side that they are launching DMET Health Community Insurance today. So I would like all our guest of honors to just open the ribbon and just launch it. It's a very important moment because we all have been facing a lot of issues since COVID. किसी न किसी की family में कभी न कभी कोई issue हुआ है. And this is very close to my heart and a lot of DMETians' heart as well. Because 2 साल से हम लोग negotiate कर रहे थे different insurance companies के साथ, and we finally have our own health insurance. So thank you Livelong, and we would like to Livelong team आए and चाहूँगा guest of honors if they can inaugurate Livelong team. So these guys have been working very hard for last 1 year. मैं परेशान कर दिया मैंने उनको सारे DMETians case study भेज.
So show the cover.
So kindly collect your these. This is a small sample of our OPD proposition, wherein there's a 5,000 rupees of expense that you can do through the Livelong app, which you can incur for doctor consultations, nutritionists, medicines, lab tests. All those things can be availed from the comfort of your home, and so please feel free to collect it from the account. Thank you.
Category we have batch excellence, and the best batch of the year award goes to anyone. Can you please shout your batch? 2012, 2011. सब लोग अपना batch बोल सकते हैं एक बारी? Everyone on a count of 3, 2, 1.
2011.
9 मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा सुनाई दे रहा है, I think 9 से ज़्यादा लोग हैं. Anyways, the best batch of the year award goes to
2003.
batch of 2003. Everybody give a round of applause for batch of 2003, recognized for their remarkable achievements, community and contributions to the DMET community. Their collective spirit and dedication exemplify the true ethos of DMET alumni. Big round of applause for the class of 2003. Everybody big round of applause. Category is Special Recognition Awards, and in first subcategory is DMET Spirit Award, and the award goes to, big round of applause for Gaurav Agarwal, honored for upholding and promoting DMET's core values. Everybody. Big round of applause for Gaurav Agarwal. Everybody. The next category is 75th Anniversary Honorary Award, and it goes to Jamaica, Mumbai. Big round of applause for Jamaica, Mumbai, acknowledged for their unparalleled contribution to preserving the legacy of DMET. Big round of applause for the entire team.
सर सर हाथ में हो जाइए उनके.
Alright, so the next category is exemplary alumni leader, and the award goes to Mudit Mehrotra. Everyone, big round of applause for Mudit.
वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग ले रहे क्या?
जी.
Mudit, this is for you.
सर थोड़ा सा घूम जाइए, थोड़ा सा पीछे को हो जाइए. थैंक यू.
Applause for Demeka, Singapore.
So next award we have Engine Repair and Electronic Engine Excellence Award goes to Team Navico. It's another DMT venture.
And I'm proud to be their batchmate. मैं भी आ जाऊँ क्या?
आजा भाई, जरूर.
शिखर को बुलाओ, it can be a batch award, हाँ?
हाँ,
शिखर,
आजा यार.
it can be a batch award, हाँ?
At least for our batch, sir. Let's get all four of you.
Yes. One of the rare chances.
सर प्लीज भी सर थोड़ा सा उनके साथ
शादी करा रहा है?
वेट. थोड़ा सा इधर को आइए, पीछे सर छुप रहे हैं. अरे यार.
Round of applause, and now we are done with the award ceremony. So big round of applause for everyone out there. The ceremony exemplifies the legacy and spirit of DMET, a community bound by excellence, innovation, and shared values. From the shores of maritime innovation to the peaks of mountaineering, this year's awardees have inspired not only DMET fraternity but also our global community. As we celebrate these remarkable achievements, we look forward to a future of continued excellence and shared success. So guys, I hope you had a great day. और अभी ये डे एंड नहीं हुआ है, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है because we have a super band named Shifa for you all here. After a short break, you can join the band, you can have your booze and enjoy the night with a grand party. So a party awaits for you all. I request everyone to take a short break. You can have a food and enjoy the band afterwards. Thank you so much everyone for being such a great audience. This is your host Tanya Naran signing off. Thank you so much once again.
वीडियो है.
वीडियो है, सीरियस रिकॉर्ड हो गया है
हाँ.
करता है उसको आईफोन मिलता है और मुझे पता चला है कि मेरे घर से ऐसा काम हो गया है. मेरी बीवी ने बिना बताए कुछ बुक कर दिया है आईफोन के चक्कर में. तो सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल वाले शायद उनको आईफोन लेना चाहते हैं, तो दे सकते हैं आप. सिग्नेचर की टीम आ जाए, अगर मेरी वाइफ है तब यहाँ पे. मैं कांग्रेसी धोलेरा टीम वंस अगेन अपने 5,000 के वाउचर कलेक्ट करना ना बोले लेवलॉन्ग टीम के पास से. मेरा छोड़ देना एक क्लास में लूंगा मैं. So do collect your 5,000 rupees voucher from Levelong and iPhone from Signature Global. Thank you guys. चलो भाई स्टार्ट करो.
अब बात करते रहिए।
कोई बात नहीं। क्या सर आदमी इधर शानदार जनाब तो मतलब गजब लग रहे हैं, वो तो विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा है डॉक्टर वो मैंने से पूछने आपको थैंक यू।
खेलो 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 look here look here
Hare Rama, हो प्यार की पतिया कबूती रखिया तक तक मैं ते थकिया प्यार साज सवेरे फड़ना साज सवेरे फड़ना आज सुनिया पिया पिया आप सभी की तालियों के साथ की थी मगर बात तो सिर्फ एक रात की थी मगर इंतजार उम्र भर कर लिया सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखी सादगी तो हमारी बेवफार से तंगर कहा बेवफा की बात निकली तो एक शेर याद आया अर्ज करूं फरमाऊं भाई इरशाद ही बोला कि इसका गम नहीं कि उसके लिए मैंने क्या क्या गवा दिया इसका गम नहीं कि उसके लिए मैंने क्या क्या गवा दिया और खुशी ये है कि उसकी बेवफाई आज मुझे एक शायर बना वो जिक्र एक बेवफार से तंगर का था जिक्र एक बेवफार से तंगर का था आपका ऐसी बातों से क्या बस आपका ऐसी बातों से क्या बस आप तो बेवफा और सितमगर नहीं आप तो बेवफा और सितमगर नहीं आपने किसी मुंह उधर कर लिया सादगी तो हमारी जरा सादगी तो हमारी पर कर दिया मैंने पहले ही कम ना किया इश्क वैसे ही बड़ा पेचीदा सबक है कि सबकी समझ में आ जाए और जब तक समझ में आता है तब तक देर अच्छा मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये गाना जो मैं अभी गाने वाला हूँ ये सभी ने सुना होगा अगर सुना है तो आपको तालियां जरूर चाहूंगा इश्क की बाजियां और मैं तबीयत ताजी लगती है ये तूने। इतने सारे लोग बैठे हैं लेकिन आवाज बहुत थोड़ी सी आ रही है। सभी थोड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ी थोड़ी ताकत लगा के गाए लीजिए, मुझे अच्छा लगेगा। मेरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ना वो 100 नहीं 110% हो जाएगा, 10% बढ़ेगा। मुझे तू राजी लगती है जीती हुई, तबीयत ताजी लगती है ये तूने। फिर अब मारा मारा मैं, चांद से बिछड़ा तारा मैं, दिल से इतना क्यों हारा मैं, ये तूने क्या किया। वो सारी दुनिया से जीत के मैं आया हूँ इधर, तेरे आगे ही मैं हारा किया। तूने क्या सर फुल पावर के साथ मैं दिल का राज कहता हूँ, जब जब सांसें लेता हूँ तेरा ही नाम लेता हूँ। तूने क्या किया फिर मारा मारा मैं, चांद से बिछड़ा तारा मैं, दिल से इतना क्यों हारा मैं, तूने क्या किया। वो सारी दुनिया से जीत के मैं आया हूँ इधर, तेरे आगे ही मैं हारा किया। मैं दिल का राज कहता हूँ, जब जब सांसें लेता हूँ तेरा ही नाम लेता हूँ। तूने क्या किया फिर मारा मारा मैं, चांद से बिछड़ा तारा मैं, जब सामने हो तेरे बाजू हाँ दिल दे मेरे मवे, तेरे बाजू हाँ दिल दे मेरे मवे, सदा चूना केरे जचदा तेरे नाज तेरे बाजू दिल दे मेरे मवे, सदा चूना केरे जचदा सदा चूना केरे जचदा। मेरी लूलू विच मेरी नज़र विच, मेरी लूलू विच मेरी नज़र विच तेरी याद दा चुम्मा पता अखियां उड़ीकदियां दिल वज मारदा, अखियां उड़ीकदियां दिल वज मारदा। आजा परदेसिया आजा परदेसिया आजा अखियां उड़ीकदियां आवे अखियां उड़ीकदियां। अभी मैंने आपको शुरुआत में अपनी और तबले की और ड्रम्स की जुगलबंदी दी है।
बहुत मेहनत की है इसके लिए हमने, तो मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है सब लोग मान लेंगे। आई वॉन्ट ऑल द DMEDians ऑन द फ्लोर नाउ एंड लेट्स डांस टू दिवाकर ट्यून। ऑल द DMEDians ऑन द फ्लोर नाउ। अच्छा अखियां उड़ीकदियां दिल वज मारदा, अखियां उड़ीकदियां दिल वज मारदा। आजा परदेसिया आजा परदेसिया वादा प्यार दा मेरे मावे तैनू अखियां उड़ीकदियां गावां तक तक दा।
हमें जिंदा रहने दो हुस्न वालो, काली काली जुल्फों के फंदे न डालो, काली काली जुल्फों के फंदे न डालो, हमें जिंदा रहने दो हुस्न वालो, काली काली जुल्फों मनाने का तरीका है। अपनी जिंदगी हमको का दान दे दे, हम मुस्कुराते जो मांगे परान दे दे, कल मिले मुझे बताया, तो मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा सिग्नेचर की टीम को 1 मिनट को देना चाहते हैं इनको। ये तुम्हारा नहीं है बेटा, इसके लिए आपको सारे गाँव पाए जाना पड़ेगा। अच्छा, 12 लोग हो रहे हैं तो जल्दी जल्दी जाके उठा।
सर वो थोड़ा सा माइक है ना साइड में कर दीजिए।